Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to disable and enable adaptive brightness in these settings. So as you guys can see, we need to open up the settings. Now here we scroll down until we see display, and I do not have it enabled right now, so I'll turn it on. Now we're going to turn it off and turn it on. This was a quick restart. And what we're going to do next is we're going to clean the ambient light near the front camera. So that's why we grab a microfiber cloth for it. I do. And now what we're going to do is we're simply going to scratch a little here. As you guys can see, the brightness is going down, so that means the entire sensor is working. But now let's just leave it at that and see if it boosts our brightness up. What we're going to do next is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the sensors so that they're not glitched. Tap on the power button, the volume up button, and tap on restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're simply going to check for software updates. So that's why we open up the settings, and here in the settings what we need to do is we need to scroll down until we see system updates, tap on check for updates, and it is checking for updates automatically. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me, but if it does not look good for you, then I would recommend simply updating the software, because it is very important that you get rid of any old glitches on your device. And as a final last resort, you can just go over and select system or reset options, and here click on erase all data. So this will definitely delete everything from your phone. This is as a final last resort if nothing else works. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.